My name is James Peak. I'm with PMJ Renovations. We do kitchen and bath remodeling. We work the entire Front Range and the mountain communities. So we recover your existing cabinets with 1/4-inch solid wood in the color of your choice. And then for our bathrooms, so you know your regular granite countertops that are 1.25 to 1.5 thick, and they weigh between 18 to 25 pounds per square foot. Our stone is only 1/4 of an inch thick. So this stuff only weighs 3 to 4 pounds per square foot and is specifically designed for vertical applications like what you see here. And the benefits to this are that you're going to get rid of all your grout lines. Everybody hates grout lines. This is an example of our translucent stone that can have LED lights put behind it and be lit up from behind. And as you can see, the full spectrum LEDs behind it and change the different colors. We can also use our stone to do fireplace surrounds with inserted. We can either do electric fireplace like you see here, or we can do gas fireplaces as well. This is an example of a Carrara marble shower. Like I said, one of the great benefits of this material is you get rid of grout lines. Another thing that we can do with the stone is make lighted wine racks. Our stone comes from all over the world and it's shipped to America to be turned into our thin stone slabs. Stone generally comes as 3 to 4 feet thick and 8 to 10 foot long, and it's cut very thin, which, like you can see behind me, allows us to book match them to have this design pattern. At PMJ Renovations, we also do kitchen cabinet resurfacing. So what we do is we'll come into your kitchen, we'll take all of your doors, all of your drawers, all of the hardware off of your existing boxes, leaving nothing but the existing box. Then we will recover your existing box with the material and the color of your choice. So you'll see a lot of refacing companies, they cover your cabinet with a very thin 1/16 or 32nd of an inch material. Here at PMJ Renovations, we recover your cabinet in 1/4 inch solid hardwood in the material of your choice. So at PMJ Renovations, we are a true turnkey remodeling company. We'll come in, we take care of everything. We take care of the cabinets, we take care of electrical, plumbing, drywall, painting, everything. When I leave your house, all you have to do is enjoy your new project. Again, my name is James Peak with PMJ Renovations. You can check us out at pmjrenovations.com or give us a call at 720-254-6777.